Have you ever thought that with just a few clicks, your dry text could instantly turn into a realistic human-sounding voice? That's right. And the tool I'm about to share can do exactly that. If you're interested in AI tools that save time and boost your income, make sure to hit subscribe to Peder AI Profit right now. And don't skip a second of this video, because missing even one detail could mean you'll miss the chance to turn your own voice into a stunningly realistic AI version. The first step is creating an account. I've already placed the registration link in the description below. Just click it and you'll be taken straight to the home page. The sign-up process is quick. Enter your email and password or simply log in with Google or Apple. After that, don't forget to check your inbox and click the confirmation link to activate your account. As soon as you log in for the first time, you'll automatically get a free plan with 10,000 free credits. That's more than enough for you to experiment comfortably, testing the text-to-speech feature multiple times, generating longer audio samples, and really checking out the quality. Each time you generate audio, credits will be deducted until they run out. If after trying it out, you feel it's a good fit, ElevenLabs also offers upgrade options like a starter, creator, or pro. These plans give you more credits and unlock advanced features. For example, personal voice cloning. But honestly, I recommend you begin with the free plan first. It doesn't cost you anything and it gives you the full experience of how the tool works. That way, you can make a smart decision before investing in an upgrade. After creating your account and logging in, you'll land on the main ElevenLabs interface. At first glance, it's clean and very easy to navigate. Right in the center, you'll see the text-to-speech section where you can paste your text and instantly convert it into audio with just one click. On the left-hand menu, you'll notice different sections like text-to-speech, voice library, personal voice, and voice changer. Each of these features has its own role. The voice library lets you explore and choose from different pre-made voices, while personal voice gives you the ability to create or clone your own. The voice changer tool allows you to transform an existing recording into a different style or voice. Even if you're a beginner, the layout is straightforward. No need to worry about getting lost. Everything is organized so you can quickly jump between features without confusion. When I do screen recordings, I usually give a quick walkthrough of each menu so viewers know where to find what they need before we dive into details. So that's a quick overview of the ElevenLabs interface. Next, let's move on to the first powerful feature, turning plain text into natural-sounding speech. When you only read plain text, an AI-generated voice can sometimes sound a bit stiff or robotic. To make it more natural, you can add emotions to the narration.
I'm really busy.
For example, if I type the sentence, "I'm really busy," and I want it to sound annoyed, I just need to add a note like, say it in an annoyed tone at the end of the text. When I hit generate,
I'm really busy.
ElevenLabs
Say it
will
in an
adjust
annoyed
the
tone.
intonation, so the sentence comes out sounding more tense. Beyond annoyed, you can try many other emotions, such as happy, sad, excited, or even whispering. Each description creates a slightly different nuance, giving you flexibility when building characters or storytelling. In reality, the difference isn't always dramatic, especially with default voices. But if you are creating a storytelling video, animated content, or dialogue that needs expressive delivery, this feature becomes extremely valuable. A useful tip is to get creative with how you describe the emotion. For instance, you might write, speaking loudly with energy, or speaking slowly and sadly. These kinds of descriptive cues often produce more vivid, lifelike results, making your AI voiceovers feel closer to real human expression. One of the main reasons an AI voice can sound robotic is because it reads everything in one continuous flow without any natural pauses. To make it sound more realistic, you should add pauses within your sentences. The method is very simple. If you want a short pause, just insert an ellipsis 3 dots. For a stronger break, use a dash dash. And if you need a longer pause, you can use the command break time equals x seconds, where x is the number of seconds you want it to stop. For example, if I type the sentence, "Hello, I'm Petter," from the Petter AI Profit channel,
Hello,
the
I'm Petter
AI
from the
will
Petter
pause
AI Profit
briefly at
channel.
the ellipsis, then make a stronger stop at the dash. This makes the delivery sound much closer to a real person having a conversation. This little trick is especially useful if you're making tutorial videos, narrating a story, or adding emphasis in your content. It gives the voice rhythm and variation instead of sounding flat, which makes it easier for viewers to follow along. Try adding pauses in a few places in your script and listen back. You'll definitely notice the AI voice sounding much more natural. Once you're comfortable generating voices, you should head over to the settings section to fine-tune things even more. This is where you can make the AI voice sound as natural and human-like as possible. There are two very important sliders here. Stability. If you increase this, the voice will sound smoother and more consistent, reducing errors or unwanted breaks.
Hello,
However,
I'm Petter
if
from
you
the
push
Petter
it too
AI Profit
high,
channel.
the delivery may become a little too flat or monotone.
Hello,
Similarity.
I'm Petter from the
This
Petter AI
controls
Profit
how
channel.
closely the generated voice matches the original reference voice from the library. If you set it low,
Hello,
the
I'm Petter
output
from the
will
Petter
sound
AI Profit
different
channel.
and a bit more creative. If you set it high, the AI will sound almost identical to the chosen reference voice. A useful tip is to combine these two sliders
Hello, I'm Petter
depending
from
on
the
your
Petter AI
purpose.
Profit channel.
For example, if you're making a storytelling video where smoothness
Hello,
and
I'm
natural
Petter from the
flow
Petter AI
matter,
Profit channel.
increase stability. But if you want to preserve the unique character of the sample voice, raise similarity.
Hello, I'm Petter
With just a
from the
few
Petter
quick
AI Profit
adjustments,
channel.
you can customize the AI voice to be much more realistic, engaging, and perfectly suited to your content. One of the most exciting features of ElevenLabs is the ability to create a personalized AI voice, also known as cloning your own voice. The process isn't complicated, but the results are truly impressive. First, click the Create or Clone a Voice button. Then prepare a voice recording of yourself, ideally around 30 minutes long. The clearer the audio, the better. So make sure to minimize background noise. You can record with a computer microphone or even your phone, as long as the sound is clean. Once you upload the file, ElevenLabs will analyze every detail of your voice, pitch, tone, rhythm, and pacing. After just a few hours of processing, the system will generate an AI version of your voice that sounds strikingly close to the real you. From then on, you can simply type text, and the AI will speak in your own unique style. Just imagine, you can produce countless videos without recording every line while still keeping your personal voice identity. This is a game-changing tool for building faceless YouTube channels that still carry your authentic signature sound. With one click on Create or Clone a Voice, you unlock a powerful way to make your content truly your own. Besides voice cloning, ElevenLabs also offers a very exciting tool called Voice Changer. This feature allows you to record with your real voice and then transform it into a completely different one. For example, you can speak in a male voice, but with just a few clicks, it can turn into a female voice, a child's voice, or even a deep storyteller's voice. This is incredibly useful if you want to diversify your content, creating multiple characters in the same video without needing anyone else to record. On top of that, ElevenLabs includes a sound effects section where you can generate audio effects simply by typing text. For instance, type rain sound and the system will create different variations of rain, from light drizzle to heavy downpour. Or type scary sound and it will instantly produce eerie, spine-chilling effects, perfect for horror videos. This saves you the hassle of searching the internet for the right sound effect. With Voice Changer and sound effects, you can make your videos far more dynamic, varied, and engaging, all in just a few minutes of work. It's a powerful way to boost creativity while saving both time and resources. Another incredibly powerful feature of ElevenLabs is dubbing, the ability to translate and dub your videos into multiple languages. You'll be amazed that with just a few simple steps, your video can come out with natural AI narration in up to 29 different languages. The process is straightforward. You can either paste the YouTube link of the video you want to translate or upload the video file directly from your computer. Then simply select the target language, for example, English, Italian, or Japanese, and click Generate. Within just a few minutes, the system will automatically analyze the original voice, translate the entire content, and produce a fully dubbed version. What's impressive is that the narration doesn't sound flat or robotic like typical machine translation. ElevenLabs preserves the rhythm, tone, and emotions of the original speaker, making the dubbed version feel natural and engaging for international viewers. If you're planning to expand your channel to a global audience, this is truly a golden tool. You can double or even triple your viewership simply by dubbing your videos into multiple languages without hiring translators or voice actors. It's one of the smartest ways to scale your content worldwide. Now let me introduce you to a small but extremely useful feature, Voice Isolator, the automatic noise filter in ElevenLabs. I'm sure you have experienced situations where you recorded your voice, but the audio was full of background noise, the sound of a fan, cars passing by outside, or even people talking in the background. Normally, cleaning up that kind of noise requires complicated audio editing software like Audition or Audacity. But with ElevenLabs, the process becomes much simpler. All you need to do is upload your noisy recording into the tool, select Isolate Voice, and click Process. Within just a few minutes, the system will automatically analyze the audio, remove most of the background noise, and keep your main voice clear and sharp. When you listen back, you'll immediately notice the difference. The voice sounds cleaner, easier to listen to, and much more professional. This feature is especially helpful for anyone who doesn't have expensive recording equipment or often has to record in noisy environments. With just one click, you can instantly get a clean, polished voice track, ready to use for your videos, podcasts, or any other project. All right, that's a wrap. We just went through the best ElevenLabs features, from text-to-speech, voice cloning, and sound effects, to translating videos into 29 languages. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and drop a comment telling me which feature you'd try first. And hey, Don't forget to subscribe to Peter AI Profit, where I'll keep showing you powerful AI tools to save time, make faceless videos, and grow your online income. Thanks for sticking around till the end. I'll see you in the next video.